Hello, this is Ashley De Silva from the Lebanon Community Schools. I'm here with you today with a flashcard set I made using the Study Blue application. Some of these cards show definitions that I found. Some of these cards show definitions that I wrote. And some of these show definitions that I modified from what was available on the Study Blue site. Today I'm going to show you 3 settings that students can use as they study: everything, random order, and front side first. My advanced 8th graders may very well use this card set when we return back from our spring break. I'm going to flip cards, everything, random, front side first, and now I click Study Now. A valence electron is one that's on the outside of an atom, and it controls chemical reactions and bonding. A period in this case is a row of the periodic table. It tells you how many levels of electrons there are. Electrons are the negatively charged particles. They're smaller and they go around the nucleus of an atom. The average atomic mass is the amount of matter in the nucleus of an atom, all the protons and the neutrons. Atomic number is the number of protons. That tells you what atom you have. Different types of atoms are called elements. A cation, cats are positive, that's the way to remember it. Cation are positively charged atoms. They lost electrons and that's how they became positive. Isotopes are different types of an element. They have neutrons that are different numbers from each other. A group is a column on the periodic table. The elements that are in a group act similar when they make molecules because they have the same number of valence electrons. An ionic bond is when 2 atoms connect because one of them gives electrons to the other one, and then they become positive and negative. An anion makes me think of onions, crying. Anions are negative. They're negative because they've gained electrons. And so now they have more electrons than protons. Protons are positive particles and they're in the nucleus of an atom. A molecule is made of a couple of atoms, or maybe lots and lots of atoms, all bonded together. Atomic mass unit is what we measure atoms in. They're super, super, super tiny. An atomic mass unit is about how much matter there is in a proton or neutron. Neutrons are neutral. That's why they're called that. They hang out in the nucleus of an atom. A covalent bond is where atoms share electrons. And when they share electrons, that hooks those 2 atoms together. They're really strong. And there are the results for my quiz, along with 2 times that I was trying the quiz cards out in order to correct spelling and things like that.